So last time I made a video, I was headed to my friend's house to do the turn signals and stuff, which we got done. We got working and everything, but I didn't get to put in the new sprocket like we planned on doing. So that's what we're heading to go do now. Hopefully we can finally get it done this time, because I've been waiting months to do this. And hopefully I don't get pissed on. But I don't know what's gonna happen. It's been raining on and off. So I'm gonna hope for the best, but I'm a little nervous about the road, but fuck it. And I forgot to strap my helmet, which is pretty cool. Just a straight up puddle. Yeah, anyways, headed to his house trying to get the sprocket and shit swapped, sprocket and chain swapped, and then that would be done. I would be done with working on the bike, so could hopefully take it back to my house and then be able to upload more consistently, because I'll have time to actually ride and record now that I have a lot of free time and nothing else to do. So should be, if everything goes well today, hopefully we can start recording regularly again soon, but I don't know for sure. And if the weather's too shitty, I have an hour ride back to my house, so I'm obviously not going to be able to do that in the rain. This is cold. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little chilly. Obviously I can't really drive like an idiot or do anything too exciting this video, because the road's pretty wet, so I'm not gonna be that dumb. I mean, I don't really care if I have to lose, but I'll be a little careful. No promises though. The rain, motherfucker. Oh my god, this hurts. I still have like 15 minutes of driving, so this is gonna be great. I don't have extra clothes. This is awesome. Perfect riding weather though. Couldn't pick a better day to do this. I'm sorry I didn't get any footage of like changing the turn signals or anything. It took us more time than it should have, but we had to like actually figure out where the problem was, what was wrong and stuff, and then replace them, put the new ones in. I'll try to throw in a little video of them at some point. I don't know if it'll be this one or the next one, but we got flush mount turn signals up front and integrated turn signals in the back with the tail light, so it looks pretty nice because it's smoked out, so it's dark. And yeah, like I said, they're integrated, so they look pretty clean. And now the flush mount, so I don't have big ones sticking out up front, which is nice. I was too frustrated, and I didn't really think about taking a video or anything, so I didn't get that thrown in there. But I'll get them in at some point. I got some plans for the channel. I just gotta get the time to actually do them. I've got a lot going on right now with school and work and everything, but working on that. We might start a side hustle too of flipping bikes. So like buying the shit ones that are broken and stuff, and then fixing them up, flipping them. If you guys want me to do videos on that, I'd be more than happy to. I probably will do one or two anyways, see how it goes, and if you guys like them, then I'll keep doing them. But I don't know, we're still like looking into it, so I'm trying to pick which one we're gonna buy first, but definitely something we're gonna get into. And yeah, we might end up keeping one or two of them if we like them enough once we fix them. It all depends. Thank God he has a garage, because we kind of screwed otherwise. Like I said, we're gonna do an oil change and hopefully swap out the chain and sprocket today. It's only been months in the making, so just waiting for that. And then, like I said, I'm doing -1 +2, so it's gonna be pretty fast, which will be fun. I definitely need more speed, you know, with my current mental state. No, I'm just kidding. I'll be fine, but it'll be fun.